It looks like the cryptocurrency markets are getting a bit of reprieve as Mt. Gox has denied allegations of a massive Bitcoin dump, plus some positive news for Ripple and XRP. Thank you all so much for coming back to the O Show. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. And as you can see, the crypto markets are in the green, which is immensely nice. And we also see Bitcoin making some nice upward price action from a low of approximately 19.5. Again, we still do have some heavy resistance at approximately $20,800. But do we have enough volume to flip that resistance into support? Taking a look at the 12-hour chart, it looks like we've created another local bottom, and we're starting to look a little bit more optimistic. The 6-hour chart, we went ahead and we flipped the EMA 9. So again, you guys, what I'm going to look for today is a flip above 20,800. And if we're able to do that, we can then look to this tough area at approximately 21.8. And yes, Mt. Gox came out and stated, creditors dismiss rumors of massive Bitcoin dump. And this is from creditor Eric Wall. He said that creditors are still unable to register where the funds should be sent. And again, there was approximately 137,000 Bitcoin that would be released. This is very interesting news because even though it sounds like a lot, 137,000 Bitcoin, in fact, it is not a lot when you take a look at the entire Bitcoin market cap. Either way, this is very, very good for those who were impacted by the Mt. Gox hack, but at the same time, it might not be good for some of us traders. This next story here is important. It is from Unusual Whale. The Federal Reserve is set to launch a long-awaited faster payment systems next year, a step that officials say will modernize outmoded infrastructure and ensure that near-instant payments become widely available, per Wall Street Journal. All this is basically saying is that we are going to be getting a CBDC whether we like it or not. And again, that is a bad thing because all of our spending history will be tracked. It will no longer be your money. And could this story, in fact, be a win for Ripple? The SEC files no objection to Ripple request to seal non-party identities in XRP lawsuit. Let me give you the skinny. So last week, judge granted the SEC request to file reply up to 90 pages to its Daubert motion that seeks to exclude testimony of Ripple Labs witnesses. In the letter sent to Torres, SEC said it does not object to Ripple's motion filed on August 19th, which is good. And Daubert motion is a motion that seeks to exclude the testimony of expert witness. SEC are seeking to seal identities of non-parties, certain Ripple employees, and personal financial info of an employee. Comment your thoughts below. Do you think this is good or bad news? If you used Wink, very sadly, they will be shutting down. This was a massive project built on Tron that allowed for gaming dapps. And a lot of people used it back in 2018, 2019, and 2020, but they are on their way out. And this story here, Grayscale disclosing SEC query says cryptos XLM, Zcash, and Zen may be securities. So if you don't know about Grayscale, they basically have a massive amount of assets under management. And a lot of the assets they have under management, we generally deem as safe because we don't necessarily have regulatory clarity. But now the SEC is coming after some of the cryptos in their trust. Even though this is these three cryptos don't hold a significant amount in the trust, it is still very, very detrimental to the industry because, again, we don't know what is a security and what isn't a security. And this is going to make a lot of projects in the future consider what they decide to list and what they don't decide to list, and it's really going to stifle the innovation. In closing, these three cryptocurrencies, Zcash, Zen, and XLM, combined for approximately $40 million in Grayscale's $18.7 billion assets. Thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you tomorrow morning live at 10 a.m. PST. Bye-bye.